Hello guys, now we are going to see the last page object, that is a confirmed registered page object, and we get to this page after we click the submit button on the registration page. So this is all there is in the confirmed registration page. The assertion we have already put in the main class, test class, and here what I have added is I just added the class. I just added this web driver object, and then I did a right click and added the constructor. Uh, that's all as far as this class goes. Then here I have the main method. So let's look at what we have in the main method. There is a driver object, and here I have put the data provider, where I explained to you in the registration data class we had the data provider annotation, and in that we had designed a data, and it was returning a two-dimensional object array. So we are getting that data over here. So what we are doing is, first we are calling the system.set property to get the Chrome driver exe file. Then we are instantiating a new Chrome driver, assigning it to the driver object. Then we are invoking the get method. We are going to the registration page over here. Then we do the page factory dot init elements. Remember I told you that we will have to do one init elements for our registration page, and that's here is where we do that init elements. So we are initializing the page factory, and we are using the driver object and register page dot class. This is the way you write it over here. Then we are invoking the register user method of the registration page, register page class using the reg page object, and we are passing the reg data which is fetched from our data provider. It comes from our data provider, and this is where it is getting put into our method. So then we are doing a assert dot driver dot find element. We are checking for the body tag by giving the tag name, and we are getting the text from that body, and we are just checking whether the text contains thank you, and then we are finally quitting the driver. So this is all that is getting done in the main driver test, main test class. So now we can go ahead and run this class. We have already seen our three classes, and this is the main class, and we also saw the registration data object. So now I just do a right click, run as, and I run it as a test ng class. So now it will run. It has started. Yeah, there you go. Now it will start the Chrome browser. There you go. The Chrome browser has started, and now it will go to the site registration page. This time we are not hitting the home page. We are directly going to the registration site. So there you go. It has closed and it has passed. So if you have a look here, the test has passed, as you can see from here, and it took the data from our registration data class, for which we created this object reg data. And you also saw how we use the data provider. I will just show you the registration data class once again, so that you get a feel of how our framework has been designed. This is our registration data class. So here below you see the data provider name as registration data, and here I am providing all the details. So if you run this once again, you will see Pinakin C Angola. Just keep an eye on Pinakin C Angola, and you will come to know. Okay, starting. Just keep a watch on Pinakin C and Angola. There you go, Pinakin C Angola, and that's it. So this data is confirmed to be coming from our data provider. This, don't pay attention to this, it has something to do with my settings. So it has something to do with methods, alphabetical. I will have to look into it, but our test has passed. If you have a look here, um, go above and you will see there are no failures and the test has passed. Test register user, and you can see the results of the test over here. It has a green mark indicating that it has passed. So this is how you create a page object model framework. If you have any questions regarding this framework, do send me an email, or you can post your comments, and then I will assist you. All the code is available on the website that I have mentioned in the description. So please download that code and practice on your own. Thank you.